Whoa, whoa. He can go around really fast. Whoa. Whoa. Really. Oh, look at, who's that?
Buggy.
Is that Bug? She's swimming hard. She's pulling air in.
I'm gonna wear her out.
Are you?
Look at me.
You get on the third step? You there? Yeah, okay. Good job.
Walk me, Mom.
What are you going to do, Lil? Is that Owie?
What are you doing, Owen? What's that called?
That's the cleanest water you can ever drink.
I'm making fireworks out of my mouth.
Fireworks out of your mouth. Awesome.
Dog trinket.
Yeah, there's like a thin film of dog fur on top of the whole pool.
Film of what?
Dog hair.
Oh, yeah, well, the dog hair. Come on.
Wow.
Let's do it for Lily. Come on,
Just
Lil. You
cleaned
want
out
to
the
get in?
filters. He said, I didn't realize there was.
You could
Daddy
probably
said,
make a
well,
sweater.
after everybody was in it last time, it never cleared up. So
Come on,
they
let's
must be.
spin real fast.
Yeah, the filters were a little bad. Whoa.
We shocked it before you guys
How
came
deep
back.
is that?
Huh? Oh, this is as deep as Papa can go.